Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first challenge, let's take up our second challenge now, which is create a code with subscription product. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ, so that you will get this page. So here I'm just gonna click on product tab, and in this search list I'm just going to search for home. And here just click on home security installation and click on edit over here. So if you scroll down, you will find this assert conversion. So here I'm just going to click on none by selecting the drop down. So once if it is done, click on save. So guys, now again by clicking on this products, we are just going to search for exterior and click enter, and here you are gonna choose this drop down next to exterior camera followed by edit. So guys, here if you scroll down, you will find this assert conversion field. So here choose 1 per unit followed by save. So guys, now in search, I'm just going to search for a code, enter q hyphen followed by triple zeros followed by 13. So if you get the result of this code, just click on it and now click on edit lines. So here in this subscription term, enter 24, and in start date you are gonna choose Jan of next month. So choose Jan and choose next year and choose 1. So which is Jan 1st of next year. And guys, now click on add products, which is next to one time purchases. So guys, here by scrolling down, choose door sensor and exterior camera followed by home security installation and followed by window sensor. For that, let's scroll down, and window sensor is right over here. So by choosing all of this, so choose it and now click on select. So guys, now for door sensor, we are going to add the quantity as 2. Just edit this quantity by clicking on this, and for exterior camera, give it as 3, and for window sensor, give quantity as 8. So once if it is done, just scroll down and click on add products next to ongoing services. So here we are going to choose home monitoring. So it is home security monitoring and mobile monitoring app and offsite video so which is right over here, followed by warranty. So once if it is done, click on select, and now just scroll down, and next to offsite video storage, we are gonna edit this quantity and make it as 2. So once if it is done, click on save, and now click on edit. So here we are going to check this primary checkbox. So if you scroll down, you will find this order by code line group. Check this as well. So once if it is done, click on save. So that is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our second challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.